Good morning to all of my video viewers. After a long time we are going to make some videos where just I wanted to talk to you about something which needs parenting. Parenting is one which is the most important part of our life, where we are all struggling to get correct way to our kids to go on, but somewhere we all are struggling how to do it. Many of the parents have the same problem, that we are trying to do the best for our kids, but still we are not satisfied the way they are going, the way they behave, the way they act is a different what we really want. And we started thinking and saying that something is a social life affecting them to do such a nonsense and different things which we really don't want. But it is not the same which we are thinking. It is totally depend what we behave, our kids behaving in the same way. You just have a little thinking and change in thoughts that why our kids are doing this type of behavior which we are not accepting and which we are not thinking to be like this. Because what they are doing, and they are just following us, they are just following us what we are doing. Take one example, that while your son or your daughter or maybe your kids in a college, and they come while they're drunk, first time they're drunk with their colleague, their friends, their college friends, and they came to home, and then you started shouting them, even though sometimes you started beat them, you are shouted on them, why you did this, you are not doing the right way. Correct, you are a parent, your worry is very correct, they should not go in that way to drink in such a age. It may spoil their career, it may spoil their studies. But why they did this? You can just have a little think in a different way, that while you come from your office with a drunk condition and somebody asking you why you drunk, the way you answer is that there was my colleagues who was drinking and I was there, and it was natural to have drink along with them, and maybe some of your clients wants to drink and you wanted to sit and accompany them, that's why you have did it. The same way your kids, while they were in college and their friends were starting and asking them to smoke or drunk, they think it is natural. It is natural if we will not drink or not smoke. They will think a different way, that you are not a normal man or you are not a normal boy. That because it's natural for the social life around right now. But doesn't mean that this is the right way. You have to drink while your colleagues are drinking, you have to drink while your friends are drinking. But the way you have to deal your kids should be a right parenting. They need acceptance, they need healing. While they come in a drunk condition, that time his mental stability is zero. They need stability, they need acceptance, they need your counseling, but as a friend, not as a parent. Just sit along with them, ask them why did this, ask them what is the advantages of doing this, why they did, why took decisions. Let understand whole story first with them, so that you can have a look on that, what is their thinking, why did this. Once you have the story of the problem, then only you can go for solution. Rather than having a detailed discussion on that, you started shouting, doesn't mean that they will not drink again, doesn't mean that they will not smoke again. After that they will just smoke and not inform to you. They will smoke and they will drunk, not come to the home. They will come with some mouth fresheners. They will come and go to the room directly and sleep. If you really want that they should stop this, they should stop this strictly, then you have to sit with them, accept them, this yes, okay, you did it, but you go for the counseling that after doing this, you may have this is the wrong advantage of these things, this is the disadvantage of this thing, maybe you are going in a wrong path, By this way your career going to spoil, but this way your study is going to impact. This is not the right time to do all these things. Or set an example that while your colleagues are drinking, while your clients are drinking, you come at home and show that example that I have not drunk yet, even though my colleagues are drinking, even though my clients are drinking, my bosses are drinking, but never I drank. So this is one example you can create. Second, you can counseling them by seeing the disadvantage of doing all these things. They need acceptance, they need the friends, they need the counseling, not anger. Your anger is not going to solve any of the problem of your life. So before going to do all these things, just think twice, sit with them. Your kids need acceptance. Just make the sentence clear in your mind. They need acceptance. So I think after this video, maybe you can try this and you will have results. That I'm sure you will have results. Go on that and just let me know that while this is helping you or not. Thanks.